Strengthening Faith 19. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1773, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the reward for an accepted holy pilgrimage is nothing except paradise. The real purpose of the holy pilgrimage is to prepare Muslims for their final journey to the hereafter. The same way a Muslim leaves behind their home, business, wealth, family, friends and social status in order to perform the holy pilgrimage, this will occur at the time of their death when they take their final journey to the hereafter. In fact, a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2379, advises that a person's family and wealth abandons them at their grave and only their deeds, good and bad, remain with them. When a Muslim bears this in mind during their holy pilgrimage, they will fulfill all the aspects of this duty correctly. This Muslim will return home a changed person, as they will prioritize preparing for their final journey to the hereafter over amassing the excess aspects of this material world. They will strive in fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which includes taking from this world in order to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Muslims should not treat the holy pilgrimage as a holiday and a shopping trip, as this attitude defeats the purpose of it. It must remind Muslims of their final journey to the hereafter, a journey which has no return and no second chances. Only this will inspire one to fulfill the holy pilgrimage correctly and prepare adequately for the hereafter. The one who behaves in this manner will be led to paradise by their holy pilgrimage. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.